Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ja'farana majma'in. Viewers, today I am going to tell you the 4 major Islamic holy books names of Allah. First one is Torah, revealed to Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Zabur, Psalms, revealed to Hazrat Daud, David alayhi salam. Injil, Joseph, revealed to Hazrat Isa, Jesus alayhi salam. The Holy Quran, revealed to Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir